Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own azelaic acid face wash. This azelaic acid, we all know it's a very good agent to clear pimples, acne. If you have all this kind of issue on your skin, this wash is something you want to give a try. It is very easy to make. You can ask us to make this for you in batch as well. We sell this. So the first thing we'll be doing will be going in with our glycerin. Yes, I'll be going in with my glycerin. I have my xanthan gum here. I'll be adding my glycerin to this so I can dissolve my glycerin with this. I have 1 gram of my xanthan gum in here, so I'll be adding my glycerin to it. I'll be adding about 10 gram of my glycerin to this to dissolve it. Yes, that's my 10 gram of glycerin. I'll be using that to dissolve this xanthan gum because we'll be working with this. Like I said, I added 1 gram of my xanthan gum and 10 gram of my glycerin, so you can take note of the product name and the amount as I'm saying it. So the next thing I'll be adding into this, okay, I have my water here, I have my water face here, I have 45 gram of my water here, distilled water. So the next thing I'll be adding is 6 gram of my azelaic acid into this plastic. So that is 6 gram of my azelaic acid. Sorry about this noise from this nylon. So the next thing I'll be adding into my azelaic acid is my oil to dissolve this first. I'll be adding propylene glycol to this oil to dissolve my azelaic acid a bit. I'll be adding 10 gram of my propylene glycol to this. 10 gram of it. Yes, I have 10 gram of my propylene glycol. So I'll add it to this and mix this very well with it. I'll mix this very well with it before doing any other thing. I'll mix this very well with it first. So once I mix this very well with it, I'll go ahead and add my water face and my glycerin to this. I'll go ahead and add my water face to this. So I'm adding my water into the azelaic acid. Then I'll go ahead and add my glycerin as well into it. So I have my glycerin inside this already. You mix, I'll go ahead and mix this very well. So then I have this very thick consistency. Not to worry about this, even if it's this thick, it is because of the xanthan gum we added to this that made this thick. So the next thing I'll go in with is my cocoa bean. So I'll be adding 30 gram of my cocoa bean to this for that exfoliating agent. I'll be adding 30 gram of my cocoa bean to this. So that's 30 gram of my cocoa bean. So I'll go ahead and mix this very well. I'll mix this very well. Once I mix this very well, I'll be adding my lightening powder. I'll be adding just 5 gram of my lightening powder. You can use any lightening powder of your choice. This is my lightening powder. Like I said, you can use any. You can use Snow White powder. You can use any powder of your choice. Any powder of your choice, like I said. So this is what my facial wash looks like. You can see how thick it looks. You can see how thick it looks. It's not watery at all because of my xanthan gum that I added to this. You can also add your fragrance to this. However, if you're doing this for a bigger batch, if you're doing this to sell, I will advise you hide your preservative to this, but I won't be doing it to sell. I'm dashing it out to someone already, so I'll not be adding preservative. What I'm adding here is my fragrance. My fragrance I'm adding there, so just go ahead and mix this very well, and I'll go ahead to bottle this. Trust me, as simple as this looks, it is very, very effective for acne clearing. Meanwhile, if you have a severe acne, please do not use this alone. Make sure to go in with a very good face cream as well to get a very good result from this. So this is a simple way to make your own azelaic acid face wash yourself. I'll go ahead and bottle this and show you what it looks like. So after bottling my azelaic acid, this is what it looks like. Can you see? This is what it looks like. This is a very, very good product to use to clear your acne. Yeah, if you have severe acne, this is a very good agent. You can see how it jobs, and it lathers very well. It lathers really well. So however, I forgot to tell you that you needed to check the pH of this before using it. Azelaic acid is very good at pH 4.5 to 5. So if your pH is not on 4.5 to 5, you need to make sure your pH gets to 4.5 or for this. And how to do that, all you have to do is get your citric acid solution. If you don't know how to make your own citric acid solution, I already dropped a video on how to do that on my channel. You can check that out. All you have to do is add a little bit of your citric acid solution to this, then you check your pH till you get that particular pH. If you've watched my video to this extent and if not subscribed, please kindly do that. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time once I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching my video today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.